Yeah, children. So today we are going to discuss some important trigonometric questions. First question. See here, children. All of you. Try to concentrate, children. All of you. First question is secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x. Okay. Then what is the value of secant theta? This is the question. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x. What is the value of secant theta, children? So, children, we know secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. You know, minus secant square minus tan square is equal to 1, all of you. So, secant square minus tan square, we can write it as secant
Secant
plus
plus
tan
tan into secant minus tan is equal to 1.
is equal to 1. This we can write
X
it as
into,
x. This we can write. X is
so
equal to
x into secant minus tan whole into 1.
is equal to 1. Secant minus tan is equal to 1 by x. Secant minus tan is 1 by x. And what is secant plus tan, children? Secant plus tan is how much? Just x. What we want secant. So remove tan. If you want tan, remove secant. We want secant, so remove tan, children. If you remove the tan theta, secant plus secant, what, children? 2 secant theta 1 by x plus x, children. So 2 secant theta is equal to x LCM, children. X x1 x, 1 1 1, 1 plus x square, children. So 1 x x into x. 2 will go down. So secant theta is equal to 1 plus x square by 2x. This is the answer. Hope you all understood, children. All of you, very easy some, children. This is one mark question, children. Second question. Second question. In this question only, what is tan theta they are asking, children? What is tan theta? So let us take these two equations, children. Secant minus tan is equal to 1 by x. Secant plus tan is equal to x. Now we want tan, means we should remove secant. So change the signs, children. Minus, minus, minus. So this both will go. Minus tan is minus 2 tan. So 1 by x minus x, children. So minus 2 tan is equal to, if you take x LCM, 1 minus x square, this will come here. So tan theta is equal to 1 minus x square by minus 2x, children. Minus 2x. Okay. So this minus tan theta is equal to minus 1 minus x square by 2x, you can write. I don't want minus term, means just to multiply, children. Minus it 1 minus 1 plus x square by 2x. This you can write neatly as x square minus 1 by 2x. Like this you can write, children. Like this you can write. You can arrange according to your comfort, children. Okay. Next, he's asking what is the value of 1 plus sine theta by 1 minus sine theta. He's asking what is the value of 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus by 1. Go for the internal rationalization, means rationalize under the root. Children, are you able to hear me clearly? Can anyone confirm?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you. So go for
And
internal rationalization. So 1
1
plus
secant by 1 plus
plus sine theta. So 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta.
1 plus sine theta whole
Whole
square
square.
1
A minus
1
B.
a square minus sine square theta
1 minus sine, 1 square minus sine
1 square
square.
minus sine square under root of 1 plus sine square
1 plus sine whole square
whole by
by cos square. This is by cos square, children. So if you do like this, what happens means, so children, now we will get this under root of 1 plus sine by cos whole square will take common. Square and root
square
cancel.
1
1
plus
plus sine by cos.
cos
Split, children. 1 by cos plus sine by cos.
by
1
cos
by cos is what, children? Secant. And
tan
sine by cos is tan. So secant plus tan is the answer. This is the value of secant plus tan. This is the value of secant plus tan. Okay, children? So this we got this answer. We got it as secant plus tan. Next, fourth question, children. So what they're asking means, find the value of same method, 1 plus cos by 1 minus cos theta. Okay, Grishmita, can you tell this? Internal rationalization. Grishma, can you tell Grishma? Internal
Yes, sir.
rationalization. Yeah.
Under root 1 plus cos by 1 minus cos equals to 1 plus cos by
By
1 minus 1 plus cos.
yeah, we are rationalizing the denominator. Okay.
Yes, sir. Under root
1 plus 1
1
plus
plus
is
whole square, 1 plus cos whole square by
A minus
1
B, A
square,
plus B.
a square minus b square.
Okay.
1 square minus cos square
Okay.
under root of 1 plus cos square by sin square
Okay.
under root 1 plus cos by sin whole square, square
Okay.
square cancel.
Okay.
1 plus cos square by sin, 1 by sin plus cos by sin,
Okay.
tan cot
Cosecant
cosecant theta plus
plus
cot
cot.
theta.
Very good. Very good. Okay, children, next question. I hope you are able to understand. Children, next one more question. So, next question is secant 4 minus secant square. Next question is secant 4 minus secant square. Okay, children. Okay, Redni, you tell secant 4 minus secant square. Redni.
Secant,
Yeah, tell.
secant square whole square.
Secant square common.
Okay, secant square minus 1.
Secant square minus 1. Okay. Secant
Secant,
square, what we can write? Convert everything, Nana. 1 second, I will tell you that. Convert everything into tan, Nana. Convert everything into tan. Secant square we can write as,
1 plus
1
tan.
plus tan square.
and inside also secant square we can write as
1 plus tan square.
minus 1. Okay. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So 1
1
plus
plus
tan square
square
into
into tan square.
tan square. Now multiply. Tan square 1
Tan
sir.
square plus tan to the power 4.
That's all. That's all. Oh, tan square. Tan square is tan 4. So secant 4 minus secant square can be written as tan square plus tan 4. Okay. Next. Bhavika, are you there? Bhavika? Bhavika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Same question. Cos 4 minus cos square, Nana. Everything convert into cos, Nana. Sorry. Everything convert into cos. This is sine 4. Sine should not be there. You have everything I want in cos terms only. Yeah, Bhavika. Cos square we can write as, cos 4 we can write as cos square whole square.
Sine square whole square.
Okay. Cos 4 don't do anything. Sine square we can write it as sine square.
1 by cos square.
Or else, first you expand as a square minus b square, I will tell. It will become easy. Cos
Cos
square plus sine square.
sine square. Cos square minus sine square.
Now convert everywhere sine square as
1 by cos square.
No, sine square as, sine square is 1 minus cos square. Sine square is what? 1 minus cos square.
Cos square.
Wherever sine square is there, write it as 1 minus cos square. Tell me now.
Cos square plus 1 minus cos square.
1 minus cos square. And
Cos square minus 1 plus cos square.
No, 1 minus cos square. Okay. Put
Yes.
in the brackets. Now, plus cos square minus cos square, gone.
Cancel.
Now, how much it will be? Cos
Cos
square
square
minus
1
plus-
plus cos square.
So, cos square plus cos square,
2 cos square.
2 cos square minus 1 is the answer. Everything into cos. We've done everything into cos. Children, I hope you are able to understand. Please copy, children, everyone. Okay. Anyone have any doubts, children? Next one, children. Next, next question they're asking, what is the value of sine by 1 plus cos? Sine by 1 plus cos. They're asking. Okay, children, what is the value of sine by 1 plus cos? He's asking, rationalize the denominator, children. Rationalize the denominator.
Into 1 plus minus cos by 1 minus cos. Sine into 1 minus cos by 1 square minus cos square theta. Sine into 1 minus cos by sine square t. Okay, sine
Yeah.
1 by
1 minus cos by sine is the answer. That's all, children. Over. Just they asked you to rationalize the denominator. Children, we rationalize it. We got it as 1 minus cos by sine. Next question. Sine by 1 minus cos plus cos by 1 minus tan. Okay, sine by 1 minus, 1 second, children. Sine by 1 minus cot, children. This is cot. Okay, Sahiti, you can.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sine by 1 minus cos by sine plus cos by 1 minus sine by cos.
Okay,
We take LCM sine by sine minus cos by sine plus cos by cos minus sine
okay,
by cos. Like we take
okay,
up sine
okay,
square by sine minus cos
okay,
plus cos square by sine minus cos minus sine.
okay.
We change the signs, sir.
So if here sin minus cos is there, here cos minus sin is there. Take minus common. If
Yes,
you
sir.
take
Sine
minus
square
common,
by sine minus cos
if here
minus.
you put minus, what happens? Cos square by sin minus cos. Okay, this is also sin minus cos, this is also sin minus cos. You'll get if you change the sign in the middle. Now take,
Yes.
now what happens?
Sine
What is the
minus
LCM?
cos. Sine minus cos is LCM.
Okay,
So sine square minus cos square.
okay,
Sine square plus cos square. Sine minus cos by sine minus cos. Sine minus cos. Sine minus cos cancel. Sine
okay.
plus cos.
Sin plus cos. Next, Rakesh, you do next one. 1 plus cot minus cosecant. Rakesh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
1 plus tan plus secant. Tell this sum. Simplify. 1 plus
Cos by sine
minus.
1 by sine
Okay.
into 1 plus sine by cos plus 1 by cos.
Okay. LCM here.
Sine LCM.
Okay.
Sine plus cos minus 1
Okay.
into cos LCM cos plus sine plus 1.
Okay. This
Now
is A minus B. This is A plus B. A minus B. A plus B. What is that?
A square minus B.
I'm writing up, children. So A square minus B square by
Sine into cos.
sin into cos. Expand this.
Sine plus cos square plus 2 sine cos minus 1 by sine cos
This is 1. Sin square plus cos square is 1.
plus 2 cos sine minus 1 by sine cos. 1 minus 1 cancel.
Okay.
2 sine cos by sine cos is sine cos.
2 sin cos by sin cos is 2 is the answer. Next. Dhanush, you look.
Yes, sir.
Question is tan by secant minus 1 plus tan by secant plus 1. Take LCM directly.
Yes, sir.
Secant minus 1 into
Secant minus 1 into secant plus 1, tan into
Secant plus
secant plus 1 plus tan
this
into
this gone, so tan into
secant plus 1,
secant plus 1.
tan into secant minus 1.
Secant minus 1. Take tan common outside.
Yes, sir. Tan into secant plus 1 into secant minus 1.
A plus by A minus B into A plus B.
Is secant square minus 1 square.
Okay, plus 1 minus 1 cancel.
Cancel.
So tan into
Secant square.
2 secant
Oh,
by secant square minus 1 is tan square.
tan square.
This gone. 2
2
secant
secant by tan.
2 secant by tan. Okay, so 2 secant is what? Secant is
1 by cos.
tan is
Sine by cos.
this gone. So what you got? 2 by
2
sine.
by sine.
That is 2 cosecant theta. 2 by sine is 2 cosecant
2
theta.
cosecant theta.
2 by sin theta means 2 cosecant theta. Next, Pranati, you do. Cosecant minus sine. See. Cosecant minus sine into secant minus cos. Secant minus cos into tan plus cot. Tan plus cot. Simplify this.
Minus sine into
This is
1 by sine minus
sine
into 1 by cos minus cos into sine by cos plus cos by sine.
Okay. Sin LCM.
Sine LCM 1 minus sine square.
Cos
Cos
LCM.
Cos LCM 1 minus cos square.
Sin
Sin
cos LCM.
cos LCM sin square plus cos square.
1 minus sin square?
Cos square by sin square.
No, sin. 1 minus cos square?
Sin square by cos.
Sin square plus cos square?
1 by sin cos.
Okay, sin square, cos square, sin, cos. Answer is 1. Okay, next one. 12th question. So children, 12th question next. Srija is there? Srija? Srija, you done? X is equal to a cos theta. X is equal to a cos theta. Y is equal to b sin theta. Then we have to find out b square x square plus a square y square. Harsh, you tell Harsh. Harsh is there? Harsh is there?
Sir, can I say?
Yatin, tell now.
Yes, sir. B square into b square into a cos square
Whole square.
whole square plus
A
a square into b sin theta whole square.
Whole square. Yeah, this is b square
This is
a
b
square.
square a square cos square plus a square b square sin square.
Okay.
A square b square
Common.
is common, so you get cos square plus sin square, which is 1. So if the answer is a square b square.
Very fantastic. Next 13. Samhita is there? Samhita? X is equal to a secant theta. Y is equal to b tan theta. So children, we have to find out same question: b square x square plus a square y square. Anvita, can you tell?
Sir, shall I?
Anvita, can you tell?
B square
Ah.
a plus secant theta whole square
A secant theta whole square. Loudly. A square
into b tan theta whole square
b tan theta whole square. Expand.
square a square secant square theta plus b square tan square
Take common a square b square.
secant square plus tan square.
Secant square plus tan square. 1 second. Sorry, Nana. This is minus Amma. That's what I'm saying. This is minus. Yeah, tell now. Secant square minus tan square is how much, Amma? Huh?
1
1. That's 2. Next. Yeah. Cot by cot minus cot 3 theta. Children, cot theta by cot theta minus cot 3 theta plus tan by tan theta minus tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta. What is its value? He is asking. So children, here what we will do, we will convert everything into sine cosa, or this is cot minus 1 second. This is cot minus cot. This is tan minus tan. 3 theta value they have given. Children, 3 theta value means we don't know. Children. Anyway, let's check. If it's not coming, we will leave it.
Sir, it is cube or 3 theta, sir.
No, it is theta only. No, that's what. No, I am not able to understand. No. I am also not able to. Is it cot, cube, or cot? I'm also not able to understand. I think it is cube only. No. That's what. Yeah, I think it is cube only because they gave down. No? Let's check like this. If we don't get answer, we will do it other way. Rakesh, tell. Very good.
Cot by cot, common will take 1 minus cot square theta.
Okay.
Plus tan theta by tan common 1 minus tan square theta.
Okay.
Plus put
1 minus cot square.
theta is secant square.
1 minus cot square is not there. Cosecant square is 1 plus cot square. 1 minus cot square is not there, Nana. So let's take LCM like 1 minus cot square into 1 minus tan square. This gone with 1 minus tan square. This gone with 1 minus cot square. Open the brackets. 1 minus tan square plus 1 minus cot square by 1 ones are 1. 1 into tan square, cot square into 1, cot square, minus cot square minus tan square, plus
tan
cot square tan square. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is how much? 2 minus tan square cot square by, this is cot square, this is tan square. Cot square tan square is 1 because
tan
plus 1 minus, okay. Sorry. This is 1, this is 1. 1 plus 1 is how much, children? 2 children. So 2 minus tan square minus cot square. Okay, children. So, okay, 2. Also 2 minus tan square cot square because 2 minus tan square. So everything 1, answer is 1. Yeah. I think it's cube only, children. I wrote it as 3 because they have given like that. So I was confused. Anyway, next question, children. So, next one, children. 2 sine 6 plus cos 6. Okay, Hasit, are you there? Hasit, 3 into sine 4 plus cos 4. Okay, is equal to how much? Is equal to how much? Ritik, can you tell? Yes, anyone?
2 into sine cube whole square plus
Sine square whole cube plus
cos square whole cube minus 3 into sine square whole square plus cos square whole square.
cos square whole square. Very good. So a cube plus b cube formula, do you remember? A cube plus b cube formula, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. In the 9th class we studied. Do you remember a square plus b square formula?
A plus b whole square minus 2ab.
That's it. Now substitute in the formulas, you'll get the answer.
2
So 2
into sine square plus cos square into sine square whole square minus sine square into cos square plus cos square whole square, cos to the power of 4.
Okay, minus 3
Sine,
into
sine square plus cos square whole square.
Yeah. Sine square plus cos square whole square.
Minus 2 into sine square into cos square.
Sine square cos square. This is
Cos
one. This is 1. This is 1. Okay. So this we can write as sine square whole square
minus
plus cos square whole square minus sine
minus
square
sine
cos
square
square.
cos square.
3
plus
this is 1. This is 1.
So no need to write plus. Okay, into plus 1. Okay.
Yeah, sine square plus cos square whole square is 1.
1.
Again, this is in the form of sine square plus cos square whole square. This.
Yes, sir.
Again, you write it as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. In this formula, you substitute. A plus b whole square minus 2ab.
2 sine square into cos square.
And this will come as it is.
Sine square cos square minus 3
Minus 3.
plus 6 sine square cos square.
6 sine square cos square. Now, this is again 1. 2 into 1
2
minus.
into 1.
Minus 2 minus 1 is?
Minus 3 sine square cos square minus 3 plus 6 sine square cos square.
2 1 are 2.
2 minus 6 sine square cos square minus 3 plus 6 sine square cos square. 6 sine square cancel.
2 minus 3 is?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Like this. Very good. Next one. Children, you have to practice, children. If you practice, you'll get it, children. So many numericals you have to practice, then you will get. 16th question, children. Next. A cos plus B sine is equal to 4. A cos plus B sine is equal to 4. And A sine minus B cos. A sine minus B cos. A sine minus B cos is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. What is A square plus B square? This is the question. Okay, children, this is the question. What is A square plus B square? So, children, nothing, children. Squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, you will get the answer, children. Squaring on both sides. Okay. If you square this on both sides, what do you get, children? Squaring on both sides. A cos B sine whole square is equal to 4
is
square.
equal to 4 square. A sine minus
A
B
sin minus
square
B
cos
cos
square
is equal to 3 square.
minus B cos.
plus b square sin square
Equal to
plus 2ab sin cos is equal to 16. In the same way, this also we have to, children. This also we have to.
A sin minus B cos whole square is equal to 3 square.
A square plus b square minus
2ab sines into cos is equal to 9.
is equal to 9. This is gone.
Can
This is gone.
change the signs.
In this both, what is common? A square.
A square
Sin
sin
square
square
plus
plus
cos
cos
square.
square
In this both, what is
plus
common?
B square
Uh,
into sin square plus cos square
cos
is equal to 25.
This is 1. This is 1.
1.
So
A
A
square
square plus B square is equal to 25.
25.
That's it. Children. That's it. Over. That's it. At that moment, you have to get the idea, children, how to do the sum. So this is how we are going to do, children. Okay. So if you practice in the normal sessions and in the exam, if you see like this, then immediately you start doing. If not, for just trying only, you will waste lot of time, children. Okay. So next one, children, like this question only. One more. A cot plus B cosecant. A cot plus B cosecant is equal to A cot plus B cosecant is equal to P. And again he said B cot plus A cosecant. B cot plus A cosecant is equal to Q. Is equal to
Same
Q.
square on both.
He is asking what is the value of P square minus Q square. Same question, children. Squaring on both sides.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Come on.
A cot plus B cosecant whole square is equal to P square.
Directly you do squaring. A
A
square
square
cot square.
cot square plus B square cosecant square
Okay.
by plus
Plus 2AB
2AB cot square cosecant
cos
into
cotecant is equal to P square.
P square.
In the same way, this also you subject
B square cos square plus
B square
cot
cot
square
square
plus A square cosecant square
A square cosecant square
plus 2AB cot square cot cosecant
or to cosecant is
is equal to P
Q
square.
One second. Be on.
Change the
See
sign.
the question. Yeah, press on. So yeah, now what we have to do means
We can
We need
change the
to change
signs
the
here.
sign.
no, actually cosecant should come under cosecant, cot should come under cot. That's what I'm saying. If it comes like this, it will become easy for you. What we'll do first, B square cot square. Now that we will write here B square cot square.
A square cosecant square.
And here we will write A square cosecant square. We'll see A square cosecant square. Now change the signs.
Minus.
A
This both
comma.
can cancel. Here A is common.
Cot
Cot
square minus cosecant square
Cot square minus cosecant square. And here B
plus
is common.
B square common cosecant square minus cot square
Cos square
Cosecant square minus cot square
is
is
equal
equal to P
P
square
minus.
minus Q square.
Okay, children. So now what we will do is, children, cosecant
Which-
square minus cot square is 1 only. That we know. Cosecant square minus cot square is 1 only. That we know, children. But cot square minus cosecant square is how much?
-1.
Minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, so minus A square plus B square is equal to P square
P square minus
Q square.
Q square.
So what is the value of P square minus Q square is asking. What is the
B
value of P
square
square minus
minus
Q
A
square?
square. B square
B
minus
square
B square
minus
minus A square. That's it. B square minus A square over. So what is the value of P square minus Q square? Means B square minus A square. That's all, children. Simple. Like that we can say, children. Okay. So you have to do according to the situation, children. Every time I will do like that only means it will not be possible, children. Little bit twisting will be there in the sums. Next question. Find the value of sine square 29 plus sine square 29 plus sine square 61. Children, sine square 29 is okay. Sine square 61 we can write as cos square 90 minus 61. Sine square 29 plus cos square 29. That is 1. A square plus B square is 1. Okay, children, next question. Next question. A is equal to r sine cos phi. X is equal to r sine theta cos phi. Phi means another angle, that's all. Don't worry about that. Y is equal to r sine theta and sine phi. r sin theta and sin phi. Z is equal to r cos theta. Okay, then he's asking what is the value of x square plus y square plus z square is how much he's asking. Directly you have to substitute and you have to find out, children. Let's substitute, children. Okay, in x
R
square.
sin
Yeah, wait,
theta
wait, wait,
cos.
wait. Varshita, Varshita, anyone is there? Varshita or Varshini, anyone is there? Srinija, who is there?
Varshini.
Varshini, tell Nana. Directly you substitute, Nana. Directly you substitute here, Nana.
R square sin square theta
Okay, you want to do it. Okay, r square sin square theta cos square phi
plus
plus,
R square sin square theta
okay,
sin square phi
sin square phi plus
R square cos square theta.
shabash. Now, what you do, Amma? In this, what is common, Amma?
Sin square theta.
No, Amma, r square sin.
R square sin square theta.
Tell me what is there left over inside.
Cos square phi plus sin square phi
Okay,
plus R square cos square theta.
this will turn into
1.
Now, what is the leftover?
R square sin square theta plus R square cos square theta.
Now, what is common?
Take common. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. So answer is R square.
Very good. Tell one more, sir. Tell one more, sir. 20th question. I will help you. Don't worry. Tell one more, sir. So sin theta minus sin square theta is equal to 1. They said sin theta minus sin square theta is equal to 1. If then find, he's saying find sin, this is plus sum, sin plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Find cos square plus cos 4. Cos square plus cos 4 is how much is asking. Yeah, Nana. So what you do? This you bring here, Nana, and tell me what happens.
Sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta.
Very
Sin
good.
theta is equal to cos square theta.
Sin theta is equal to cos square theta. Now squaring on both sides you do.
Sin square theta is equal to cos to the power of 4 theta.
Cos to the power of 4 theta. Simple, over now. Now, children, I'm doing here. Yeah, what is cos square, Amma? Cos square is what?
Sin theta.
Sin theta plus what is cos 4?
Sin square theta.
Sin square theta. No, one second. No. Again, we are getting same answer. Cos square we want. Cos square plus cos 4. Or else what you do? We did cos sin. Okay. Okay, now this is there, no? This is there, no? What is sin square, Amma? What is sin square?
Cos to the power of 4 theta.
1 minus cos square. Sin square is what? 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square is equal to cos 4. Okay, Amma?
Yes.
Bring this here.
1 is equal to cos to the power of 4 plus cos to the power of 2.
That one. This is the answer is 1. He's asking what is its value? It's 1 you should say. That's all. Okay, very good. Next. So children, keep copying, children. Next. Rohan, you want to say some? Rohan? I'll help you. 23. Samita is there. Riddhi is there. X is equal to a secant cos phi. X is equal to a secant theta cos phi. Sai Varshit is there. Y is equal to b secant theta sin phi. B secant theta sin phi. Z is equal to c tan theta. Z is equal to c tan theta. Okay. Z is equal to c tan theta. He's asking what is the value of x square by a square plus y square by b square. Okay. Any boys? Anyone? Boys are there? Any boys?
Sir, can I?
Tell.
Sir, a secant.
1 second. Yeah, 1 second. 23rd only, no question. 23rd x, y, z they gave, but they did not ask anywhere about z. That's what I'm saying. Okay, let's start. We'll see. Till
A square secant square.
x means directly substitute.
A square secant square theta cos square phi
Okay.
by a square plus
square is
b square secant square theta sin square phi
sin
by
square phi
b
by.
square. B square.
Hmm.
B cancel, A cancel.
Here, what is common?
Secant theta is secant square theta is cos square phi into sin plus sin square phi. It is
This
1
is
square.
1. So
So
answer is
secant square theta.
secant square theta. But they want answer. They want answer in the terms of Z and C. They want the answer in terms of Z and C.
So secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta.
Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. What is tan theta?
Tan
Z by C.
Z by C, yes.
1 plus Z by C
Whole
whole
square.
square. So 1 square 1 by Z square C square is the
square.
answer. Like that. According to the question, we have to solve children. Secant square is the answer correct only. But in the multiple choice, they give answers in Z and C. That's why I converted that into that children. Next. Okay. Next question, children. 24th question. Please see here. A cos minus B sine is equal to C. A cos minus B sine is equal to C. A cos minus B sine is equal to C. What is the value of A sine plus B cos? That's all. This we have to find out. Grishma, you tell me. A cos minus B sine is C. What is A sine plus B cos? They are asking. I will give the hint. Squaring on both sides. Do it, Amma.
A square cos square
Plus
plus B square sin square equals to minus 2AB cos square sin square sin cos equals to C square.
Now, in front of A, sine is there. In front of B, cos is there. Cos square we can write it as
1 minus sin square.
sin
Plus
square we can
B-
write as
1 minus cos square minus 2AB sin cos equals to C square.
Okay.
A square minus A sin square plus B square minus B square cos square equals minus 2AB sin cos equals to C square.
Now this you send other side. C square you bring here.
A square plus B square minus C square equals to A square sin square plus B square cos square plus 2AB sin cos.
Okay. A square plus B square.
B square minus C square equals to
A
square
sine plus B
B
cos whole square. This is same.
Yes.
Square if you take
Plus
that side. Plus or minus under root of
A square plus B square minus C square equals to A sin plus B cos.
That's it. Children, they gave A cos minus B sine. They asked for A sine plus B cos. Means in place of cos, sine came, and in case of sine, cos came. Directly we can't change. That's why I squared it. When I squared it, cos square I wrote as 1 minus sine square, and sine square I wrote as 1 minus cos square. Finally, I made it so that in front of A sine, in front of B cos, that is possible only if you do squaring on both sides. If you practice now, children, in exams it will become easy for you, children. Whether a question comes or not, at least your thinking power will increase, children. Okay, next 25th question. So, children, question is there like this. 9 secant square minus 9 tan square. Very easy question. 9 secant square minus 9 tan square. What is common, children? 9.
9
Secant square minus tan
secant square minus tan square. 9
is
into
what?
1.
9 is the answer. That is easy question. Okay. Next, 1 plus tan plus secant. Pranati, you turn 1 plus tan plus secant into 1 plus cot minus cosecant. Come on. First, 1 plus sine by cos.
1 by cos plus 1 by cos into 1 plus cos by sine minus 1 by sine LCM cos plus sine plus 1 into sine LCM sine plus cos minus 1.
Okay. This is A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. A square minus B square.
Sine plus cos whole square minus 1 square.
Minus, no?
Minus
A
1 square
minus
by
square.
sine cos. Cos sine.
Expand this cos square
Cos
plus
square plus sine square plus 2 sine cos minus 1 by cos square sine square cos square.
this is plus
1.
1, this is minus 1.
Minus
Cancel.
1 cancel. 2 sine cos by sine cos Sin cos cancel. 2 is the answer.
Sin square plus cos square is 1, children. Plus 1 minus 1 I cancel, children. Don't think that sir why cancelled. Okay. Next. Site you did. Site is there.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I thought secant. Secant plus tan. Secant plus tan into 1 minus sine. Tell now.
Secant is equal to
1 by cos. Tell fast, Nana. Cos.
cos LCM 1 plus sine into 1 minus sine.
A plus B, A minus B.
A square 1 minus sine square by cos square.
No
1
cos
minus
square, no, only cos. 1 minus cos square. Sine square, cos square.
sine square by cos.
So
Cos
answer is
cancel.
cos.
Answer is cos.
Very good. Next, Prerni, you tell. 1 plus tan square by 1 plus cot square. Prerni, 1 plus tan square by 1 plus cot square. 1 plus tan square is what?
Secant square theta by
Secant square.
cosecant square theta.
Cosecant square. What is secant square, children? 1 by cos square.
1
What
by
is cosecant square?
1 by sine square.
This goes here, this goes here.
Sin square by
Sine square by cos square.
tan square theta.
That's all, tan square. Okay, next question. Last two sums, children. 29th question is going like this, children. Sine minus cos is 1. Children, sine minus cos is 0, they said. They want sine 4 plus cos 4. Sine 4 plus cos 4 is how much? Sine 4 plus cos 4, children. So, children, this comes here. Sine theta is equal to cos theta. Then this comes here. Sine by cos is equal to 1. Then that is tan theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to tan 45. Theta is equal to 45 degrees. Substitute here. How much, children? Sine 4 45 plus cos 4 45.
Cos 4 45. 1 power 4.
1 by root 2 whole to the power of 4. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is how much? 1 by 4.
1 by
1 by
4
4.
plus 1 by 4.
2 by 4, 1 by 2.
Answer is
0.
that's all. Okay. Next question, children. What is from sine 45 plus theta? Sine 45 plus theta minus cos 45 minus theta. This is the question. Okay, children. So what is its value? So sine 45 plus theta, let it be like that only. Anything we can change. I'm changing this. Cos 45 minus theta we can write as sine
Sine 90 minus 45 plus theta.
minus theta. First you put in brackets and then open them. If not, you will get confusion.
Okay, sir.
Sine
Sine 45 plus theta minus sine 90 minus 45 plus theta.
minus into minus plus. So same thing minus same thing is what? 0.
0.
0.
Next. If a right angle at C, children, if a right angle triangle is there, right angle at C, question is, what is the value of cos A plus B? What is the value of cos A plus B? Children, this is 90 means this plus this also will be 90.
90.
So
90.
cos 90 is how much? 0.
0.
Over. That's it. If this is 90, this plus this is 90 automatically. Okay. Next, children. Getting over, children. Now, two questions. 31st question is cos. Again, 8 theta they give, children. I will see whether that is correct or not. Cos 8 theta is equal to sin theta. Okay. Cos 8 theta is equal to sin theta. What is the value of tan 6 theta they are asking?
Cos 4 whole square is equal to sin theta.
Cos 8 theta they gave. So, what will do, children? Tan 6 tan to the power of 6 or cos to the power of 8. I am not able to understand. Anyway, let's check, children. So, they gave the values also perfectly. Okay. So this is like this, children. 9 theta is less than 90 degrees. So cos 8 theta is equal to sine 90 minus the cos sine theta, we can write as cos 90 minus theta. This gone. 8 theta is equal to 90 minus theta. This goes here, children. 9 theta is equal to 90, children. 9 comes down, children. Theta is equal to 90 by 9. Theta is equal to 10, children. Now, tan 6 into 10 means how much, children? Tan 60.
Tan 60.
What is tan 60, children? Root.
Root 3.
Even first time I'm getting, I'm seeing like this. Some children, be careful. So, like these questions also can come, children. Easy only, but thing is, suddenly we should get that idea. That's all. Not that you doesn't know. Last question, children, for the day. Cos alpha plus beta is equal 0. Okay, and he's asking what is the value of sine alpha minus beta? What is the value? This we can write as what, children?
1 minus
Cos alpha
sine.
plus beta is equal to cos 90, children. Am I correct, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cos 90.
Cancel
Cos
alpha.
plus alpha plus
Alpha
beta
plus
is
beta
equal
is equal to 90.
Alpha plus beta is equal to 90. Right? Sine alpha plus beta we can write as cos 90 minus
alpha
minus beta. Cos 90 minus
alpha plus beta.
plus beta. No,
90 minus.
sine alpha minus beta. Okay. So he's asking alpha plus beta value, children. Okay, so let's convert this into sine 90 minus alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Let's see, children. Sine 90 minus alpha minus beta is equal to 0. Okay, sine 90 minus alpha minus beta is equal to sine 0 is what, children? Sine 0. This gone. So 90 minus alpha minus beta is equal to 0. This 90 comes here, children. Okay, alpha plus beta already we got 90 on, This is not coming. Or else let's start from here only, children. Sine means cos 90 minus alpha minus beta. Cos 90 minus alpha plus beta. It's not coming, children.
So,
It's not coming. We have to find out sine alpha minus beta value, children. Okay, children. So what we'll do? This we will take
minus common.
no, we can't take minus common. If you put sine on both sides, there we have cos alpha plus beta is equal to 0. We got alpha plus beta is 90. Sine alpha minus beta, how to do, children?
Alpha plus beta is equal to 90, no sir.
Yeah.
Minus alpha minus beta is equal to 90, minus that side you can say.
No. Okay, no problem. What we will do? Alpha is equal to 90 minus beta we will do and substitute here, children. Sine alpha is 90
minus beta minus beta.
Sine 90 minus
90 2 beta.
sine 90 minus 2 beta.
Sir,
Children,
otherwise,
yes, correct
alpha
one.
is equals to 90
Wait,
minus
wait.
beta.
Sine 90 minus 2 beta is what, children? Cos 2 beta.
Cos 2 beta.
Cos 2 beta, that's all, children. That is there on the answer, children. Cos 2 beta, children. That's all. Sine 90 minus 2 beta is cos 2 beta. This answer is there, children. They gave cos beta na, cos 2 beta na, sine alpha na, sine 2 alpha na. They gave cos 2 beta is the answer, children. From this only I got, children. That's all. Okay. So this is very important. Okay. Sine alpha minus beta, they asked it, no? Alpha I kept as 90 minus beta and I gave, children. That's all, children. So thank you so much, children. Again, evening we'll meet for the science, children. Thank you so much.